something else that maybe from a neuroscientific perspective I'd like to share, which is the understanding of how our brain works. When that stimulus comes to us, we start to feel those emotions, that's happening in the emotional center of our brain, which is sort of in the middle. There's this little part of the brain called the amygdala, where all of this starts to fire. But in order for me to calm that amygdala down, I need to do something different physiologically. I need to be able to bring it back to the thinking part of my brain, my prefrontal cortex. In order to do that, there's little tricks, body movements that I can do that can shake me out of that. I can also do something like a multiplication.
What is that?
What's 4 times 5?
Okay.
20.
That multiplication.
That multiplication. Wow. There's a chance to practice your multiplication table. Why? What happens is because when you're telling your brain, think, logic, it forces you to come out of this place and into that one. Suddenly you're shifting, you're breaking the state. You're breaking the states. These are practices that we teach ourselves, or to be able even to count as you breathe. You know, the square, I'm sure everyone has probably heard of the square technique of breathing, where you count, hold for 4, out for 4, counting backwards, counting forwards, anything that revolves around thinking, logic, take you out of this state of a firing amygdala and into a thinking brain.
That's so good.